Want to become a registered pharmacist in Australia in 2026, but feeling overwhelmed by the process? You're not alone. From OPRA and internship to skill assessment, registration and migration, the pathway can seem complicated. But here's the good news. In this video, I'll simplify the entire journey step by step, so you know exactly what to do, how much it costs, and how to build your pharmacy career in Australia. Welcome to Pharmalytics, your trusted platform for global pharmacy career guidance, licensure exams, and professional development. If you're an overseas pharmacist planning to work in Australia, this is your complete roadmap for 2026. So, who should watch this? This guide is for overseas pharmacists, final year pharmacy students, pharmacy graduates, and professionals planning to migrate to Australia. Alright, let's walk through the step-by-step Australian pharmacist pathway. Step 1. Eligibility check. You need to hold a recognised pharmacy degree and meet English language requirements like IELTS, OET or PTE. Step 2. Skills assessment. Apply to the Australian Pharmacy Council for document verification and eligibility review. Step 3. OPRA examination. You'll need to pass the Overseas Pharmacist Readiness Assessment. Step 4. Intern Training Program. Complete a supervised internship in Australia. Step 5. Registration exam and board requirements. Meet all Pharmacy Board of Australia requirements. And finally, Step 6. General registration. Become a registered pharmacist in Australia. Alright, let's talk about the total cost breakdown. The estimated expenses in Australian dollars are as follows. For the skills assessment, you're looking at somewhere between $810 to $1,500. The OPRA exam fee is $2,190. The English test can range from $410 up to $600. The internship program usually costs between $5,000 and $8,000. Registration fees are typically $1,000 to $1,500. And for visa and miscellaneous costs, you should budget about $3,000 to $5,000. So, the total estimated investment comes to around $12,000 to $18,000. Just keep in mind, costs can vary depending on your location, visa type, and the preparation pathway you choose. Now, let's look at your OPRA preparation course options. You can actually prepare through self-study, structured online coaching, mock test programs, or even clinical case discussion groups. When you're choosing a course, look for ones that include updated syllabus coverage, case-based multiple-choice questions, a focus on therapeutics, exam simulation, and personalized mentorship. These features really help you get ready for the exam in a thorough way. Moving on to the internship in Australia. After passing the OPRA exam, you'll need to complete a supervised internship. The key details are that it's usually 1,575 hours, though this can vary depending on state requirements. The internship is done in either a community or hospital pharmacy and must be overseen by an approved preceptor. It also includes workplace-based assessments. And honestly, it's a good idea to start networking early because internship positions can be pretty competitive. Skill migration pathway. Pharmacists are listed on Australia's skilled occupation list. Popular visa options include the Subclass 189 Skilled Independent Visa, the Subclass 190 State Nominated Visa, and the Subclass 491 Regional Visa. A positive skills assessment from the APC is essential for migration. Job opportunities and salary. Career opportunities include community pharmacist, hospital pharmacist, clinical pharmacist, regulatory affairs, and pharmaceutical industry roles. The average salary for an intern pharmacist is between $55,000 and $70,000 Australian dollars per year. A registered pharmacist can expect between $85,000 and $120,000 per year. And, well, an experienced pharmacist can earn $130,000 plus per year. Practical tips for success. Start your English preparation early. Build a realistic financial plan. Prepare for OPRA. Strategically network with pharmacists in Australia. And apply for internships as soon as you're eligible. In summary, to become a pharmacist in Australia in 2026, you need to complete a skills assessment pass, OPRA, secure an internship, obtain registration, and explore migration and career opportunities. If your dream is to practice pharmacy in Australia, honestly, the best time to start is now. Subscribe to Pharmalytics for expert guidance on OPRA preparation, Australian pharmacist registration, and global pharmacy career pathways. Comment below and let us know which part of the process seems most challenging: OPRA, internship, or migration? And if this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Your international pharmacy career starts with the right roadmap.